Welcome to my channel Tips and Tricks by me. Hello friends. So today I will tell you how can you make videos like these with text, images, videos and so on. So let's go. And please subscribe to my channel. And what I'm telling you is it's not a free software, but I'm making it free for you. So let's go to the video. First of all, in the description box you will find a link to download this archive file. I will be providing my direct Google Drive link. There will be nothing like to prove yourself as I am not a robot or something like that. You won't even find anything else, no ads at all. Now you need to open this file in your download folder, then extract everything inside it. Like I am extracting right now. The extraction will take place very nicely and it's very easy also. No password, nothing like that. Now just open this folder which has been downloaded just now. So before opening the folder, what you can do is if you have any antivirus installed on your computer, please switch it off. First of all, the virus protection for 30 minutes. Then it will take a little bit of time to switch it off. After it has switched off, click the block suspicious file packages. In the files and folders section you have to do this. Then you have to switch off everything basically. Even the main thing to switch off is the anti keylogger, because it has some keyloggers. And make sure you tick these all and then select the folder which you have extracted, so that it does not make any issues. It does not contain any virus. It's verified. I am using it currently. Now as soon as you select it, now do it like this. You have to do it with the installed folder as well. When you will install this application, after double clicking, after opening it, it will extract some more files. You can extract them wherever you want and exclude them also from them. Now click on next. Now you can choose the path. Now I am changing the path because I don't want it to be in my C drive, C or whichever drive it is, because C drive is already full. Now I will choose a path. You can choose any path you want. Then next. Then it will ask some permissions and all that. You need not worry. Then click on next. Now make sure you uncheck this box, create a desktop icon. It will be checked. You need to uncheck it. Now this is some information required. Then click on install. Installation will take about 5 to 6 minutes. It's a very small app, so it will not take much time. Just wait and the installation will be completed. Now see, almost it is completed. Now make sure you uncheck this box as well, launch box, and then finish. Then you need to come back in the main folder. Then there is another folder with the cracker. Now in the cracker you need to open the first file. You can see the first file. It is an application. Do not touch the XML configuration. Just open this file. As soon as you will open it, it will not ask for any kind of permissions, but the previous application may ask some permissions. After it opens, like see, now it has opened. Now you need to click on patch. Now as soon as you click on patch, it says cannot file the required file, so search file. So you need to click on OK. Now wait for a second or so, as my computer is very slow, sorry for that. It will open up a pop-up. You can select the path where you extracted everything. Now I have extracted in the same folder. Here it is. You can see the name. Now after you click on it, there is one application, the Easy Sketch Pro 3 application. Need not select the Univala, the one which is below it. Just select it and wait for a while. Now it will say file patch successfully, enjoy. Now you need to click on exit. Do not delete anything from these files, otherwise it will not work properly. You can just delete the archive if you want. I'm keeping it. Now you need to open the same folder in which the installation was completed, the path. Now you can see there are two applications, Easy Sketch Pro 3 and the QQ Cracked. Now you need to delete the Easy Sketch 3 application. Now what you need to do, you need to delete it. Even remove it from your recycle bin. Now you can see there is only one application, the Easy Sketch QQ Cracked application. You can open it. Now I'm going to open it. You can see that. Make sure our antivirus is turned off while doing the installation process, otherwise you will cause a lot of problem. Now open it. Now you will see a pop-up coming asking for some sign in. See, it is asking you for the email and the auth code. You can click on the keep me in button, then type the email address abc@gmail.com, and then in the auth code what you can write is ABCDEFG. Actually it is nothing like that. I'm just telling it for your purpose. Otherwise no need, you can write anything, even some jumble tumble will work, because we have just cracked it with the help of the patcher. Now as soon as you click on OK, it will open a screen like this. Now you can see there is a text option here. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you will see a pop-up. Here you can select the font, type, size. There are as many as available fonts. I'm selecting this one only. Then you can select the color, as if I want to select blue. Then you can select the bold, italic. There is no underline option, I saw it. And then there is option of justify, left align, right align, center align. Now you can just type whatever you want to. Now as if I am typing here something, you can see. Please subscribe to my channel. It's a very good substitute for other apps. It works very nicely and the system requirements are very low. As soon as you click it, now you can see it is there. You can double click it and select it. Now you can see you can rotate it, resize it, or whatever you want to do you can do. Now as you can see, now there are many options. There is the option of save, export. Save file doesn't mean that you will get a video. You need to do export, then it will start recording everything. I will show it to you afterwards. And timeline is there. You can select for how much time does the person should write it, how much time does it take him to write it properly, and how much time before, how much time fading, and everything is there. You can see in the options when you install it. Time after, time fading, everything is there. You can click on done if you want. If you have adjusted anything new, then cross it. Then you can see the preview. So before showing you the preview, I'll show you some images here. There are images, as you can see. It is a very large library also. You can choose from the library. They are all copyright free, but there are not all the kinds of, but there are many. I also use some of them. And if you want a photo from a PC, you can download it and click on here, load from PC. Then it will ask you here for the path. Maybe you are unable to type, so you can click on here, browse. As soon as you click browse, it will open a pop-up and you can select the image from wherever you have downloaded it. Now here I have downloaded a YouTube icon. You can select it and click on open. As soon as you open it, don't worry, it will not be like this. They are just showing a preview. Now you can select it and even minimize, rotate, or whatever you want with the image as well. Now see, you can minimize it, maximize it, rotate it, center, you can center it, everything you can do. Now I will center the image. Then you can also have voice, background, hands. There are many hands. I will discuss everything in detail in further videos. Now you can see there is different type of hands. Now here is the preview. Now you can see he's writing and he's drawing as well. You can change the hands. Now what you need to do is you need to click on export, then select the folder, then save. As soon as you click on save, it will take little time because it has to make a video from a file. First it will show you something like this. It is recording currently. You can see on the top right corner. Then it will say exporting video. The exporting takes quite a lot of time. If you have bigger videos, in such a small video it will take a minute or so. Now you can even play it like this, and you can also find it in the folder. As soon as you play it, you can see it is opening in my Windows Media Player. That means it is a MP4 format video. You can see here how easy writing, and you can see I am using my Windows Media Player. Now you can see it is working, and you can use it in your YouTube videos and anything else. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment, and you can see that round circle in between. You can click to subscribe, and on your screen there must be other videos of mine, so please see them. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.